Here's some Arcadian Ideals trivia. Subscribe. Which philosopher is associated with the concept of the golden mean? Is it A. Kant, B. Aristotle, C. Nietzsche, or D. Plato? The correct answer is B. Aristotle. In literature, which work by Virgil depicts idyllic countryside? Is it A. Aeneid, B. Eclogues, C. Georgics, or D. Metamorphoses? The correct answer is B. Eclogues. Which art movement celebrated nature and simple living? Is it A. Romanticism, B. Surrealism, C. Impressionism, or D. Cubism? The correct answer is A. Romanticism. What is the name of a classical mandolin-like instrument? Is it A. Lute, B. Banjo, C. Guitar, or D. Harp? The correct answer is A. Lute. What type of garden is often a reflection of Arcadian ideals? Is it A. Grocery garden, B. Ornamental garden, C. Eden, or D. Desert garden? The correct answer is C. Eden. What phrase describes the ideal of a simpler agrarian society? Is it A. Urban utopia, B. Industrial revolution, C. Savage civilization, or D. Noble savage? The correct answer is D. Noble savage. What is the catchphrase "back to the land" associated with? Is it A. Agrarianism, B. Industrialization, C. Space exploration, or D. Urbanization? The correct answer is A. Agrarianism. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.